Might just grab a standard pair of wipers, or yeah, maybe just one to try, but people do something a little custom, so I'm a little sick of not being able to find these. These are the originals, and the only thing I could find last time was a replacement blade. You can see it slips out of there. But that didn't last too long, so let's go try and see if I can find one to make work. Brand new AutoZone. Hello. Alright, got this 19-inch Duralast. This is one of the cheapest ones. I think it'll be just a good thing to try and work with and see if I can get it to work. Need to come up with some sort of custom bracket. Alright, so I think I'll go up to the Home Depot then, since I got a little project here and I might need some parts. Just gotta figure out a way to connect the bar to a different kind of wiper blade. Shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. Either way, we'll keep the receipt just in case I need to take it back. Side of this complex, I think we can just head straight up to Home Depot. I need to get these wipers fixed because this isn't gonna work. I can't see anything. Well, I can see fine. It bugs me. I like clean window, no drips. Battery's charged while I'm working. Okay, with a bunch of stuff. That'd be nice if it had an adapter. Alright, so I just need just basically a post, and I think there might be a post with a notch cut into it for this little clip to grab onto. Yeah. But I could just bolt it on. It looks like this lines up just about perfect. This nut. So I just put a long bolt through there. good yank and boom. Oh, I need to cut that little post out of there. At a time. One side. Just trying to break the plastic. Alright, no taking it back now. I don't think I'm gonna need to though. It'd be so nice just having standard wiper blades I can pick up anywhere. Alright, boom. So now as you can see, I just need to drill that out a little bit. Have to run in here a little bit and I think get something a little longer, a little fatter. Alright, just ran in and got some little set of screws and nuts. 8-pack zinc round head combo machine screws, number 10. Got that put back together. It's just a nut and a bolt. Alright, there you go. So then you get some washers in between there. That works, sweet. I can just get normal freaking wiper blades. So there's 2 washers on the bottom and 1 on the top to make that snug. A little tricky. Just kind of fed the bolt through on the bottom about 1 millimeter and slip the washers over it. And then this one gets one up here. Sweet, that looks freaking legit right there. Nice. Kind of looks like if I had the bayonet type arm, there was a clip option, but it has this that kind of a thing on it. I'll bet you I could remove that and make that work. Maybe not though. I like my idea better. Just an FYI though, those who are taking tips from this, if you're having a hard time finding blades that work and want to do this as well, there's a slim chance that that bayonet clip might work. half the price. I guess that'll work. I just need it for the passenger side. Alright, gonna try out this right next. It's only $8, $9. Looks like that should work. So different style, half the price. Put the nice one on the driver's side, of course. But yeah, I actually kind of like this better. This is actually a rivet that I'm gonna have to tap out. Got one side drilled. Let's see if I can't just push that out. Something. Cool. That wasn't too bad, actually. Your side all pretty nasty, falling apart. That's in the motorhome parts pile. Quite a bit more space on this one, but that's alright, just need more washers. Not a big deal. Maybe this was about the same size. Still could only get 2 washers on the bottom, 1 on the top. Or 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. And there's even enough room on this non-plastic frame of the wiper blade that I can get a lock washer on there, which I like better. So I think next year when I replace these, I'll just stick with these Rain-X's, these cheaper. I mean, wipers only last a year around here in the Pacific Northwest, so might as well stick with the cheap stuff. But that, I like that a lot. This all worked out pretty good. Yeah, we guess we'll see the difference between an expensive blade and a cheap blade. We'll see how they compare. But more than likely I will just stick with these Rain-X's next year. Can definitely see a quality difference on the more expensive blade. Got some reinforcing wire in there, thicker rubber for its base, just a little bit, and it's got this crazy design on the blade too, which probably helps wipe away water. Probably really handy during the downpours we have around here in the Pacific Northwest. There's just sheets of rain coming down, so I'll find out. It's getting a little chilly out, so I thought I'd kick on the diesel heater there. What is it, 66? It's not too bad, but